I'm Tom Reed, and I'm pleased you've joined me for this brief chat as I share important updates about ASCRS with you directly. Today, I have some very exciting news to share. Throughout our 122-year history, there have been many advances which have transformed our practice, our specialty, and our society. And early next year, we will have what we hope to be another of those transformative moments. I'm pleased to announce the upcoming release of ASCRS U. You might ask, what the heck is ASCRS U? Well, U stands for university. Just like here in Gainesville, if I wish to avail myself of sports, art, culture, education, or medical care, I go to the University of Florida. It's the hub of activity in Gainesville. In similar fashion, ASCRS U will be one-stop shopping for all the best educational content that ASCRS has to offer. ASCRS U is a streaming educational portal with a single point of entry which will be accessible on mobile devices and computers. It will house our very best stuff, the new edition of the ASCRS textbook, which will be interactive, CARCEP, videos, the Fundamentals of Rectal Cancer Surgery course, and more. You'll enjoy 24/7 unlimited on-demand access and the ability to quick search by topic. We saw a demonstration of the portal last night, and I have to tell you, it was pretty cool. Finally, and perhaps best of all, access to the education portal will be included with your ASCRS membership. From CME to quick searches for the latest answers and insights regarding tough patient cases, ASCRS U will have it all. Stay tuned for more details and get ready to join your colleagues on ASCRS U in 2022. The other thing I wanted to chat about today is our upcoming in-person meetings. I know there has been a lot of uncertainty as the Delta variant of COVID has plagued much of the U.S. and the world. We were certainly hit very hard here in Florida. However, the good news is that it looks like we're past the peak in our region and the number of patients in the hospital with COVID is steadily declining. This means that we are still a go for our annual in-person scientific meeting in Tampa at the end of April. We encourage everyone who can to get vaccinated prior to coming, as this is our best protection against severe infection. We look forward to seeing everyone at what will be an outstanding meeting. We're also planning on having our Surgical Leadership Institute workshop in La Jolla in late January as an in-person event. This is a chance to learn insights from folks who have walked the walk and dealt with tough problems in one of the nicest places in the country. The venue is adjacent to the UC San Diego campus, where my son is in school, and a few steps from the ocean. I can tell you from personal experience that this is a spectacular spot. I hope to see you there. Lastly, I wanted to say that I'm very proud of how you and your colleagues responded to the COVID pandemic, taking great care of your patients, educating the next generation, and performing groundbreaking research, all while battling a worldwide plague, the likes of which we've not seen in 100 years. I'm eternally grateful to be part of such an awesome specialty. Thanks for joining me for this chat today, and always remember, ASCRS is your society. You are part of the 122-year legacy of surgeons who have made our specialty what it is today, and together we will make it all that it can be tomorrow. I'll see you next time.